Today is special because as a woman, I get to talk about a true woman's timepiece. This is the new Omega 30mm Aqua Terra. Omega first introduced the Aqua Terra collection in 2002, and it quickly became one of their most popular lines. The name means a combination of sea and land, and they really wanted this watch to expand on the Seamaster diver collection, but be a little bit softer than your classic diver. We don't have that rotating bezel, right? And they wanted this to be a watch that you could wear in the water, probably not diving, but it could also be a watch that goes day to day to work with you on the weekends, etc. A big highlight of the Aqua Terra collection is in 2017, the watches became Master Chronometer certified. So what is Master Chronometer rating? Very high level. You can get a watch COSC or COSC certified, and they check just the movements before they go into the case. Now, Omega said, we're going to take this a step further, and we're going to do the testing also after the movements are in the case. This is much harder to do. It can take up to 2 weeks, goes through 8 different testing standards. It's much more expensive, but this is something Omega started prioritizing early on, and it's why the brand is so regaled for having fantastic movements and great certifications. When an Omega watch is Master Chronometer certified, it has passed rigorous testing for anti-magnetism, shock resistance, and accuracy. For decades, we've seen women's watches. They're specifically smaller and they kind of skip the internal mechanisms. Brands usually just take a men's style, they shrink it down, and they throw a quartz movement into it and call it a day. I'm not bashing quartz movements. I own a lot of watches with a quartz movement. It's very easy. However, this 30mm Aqua Terra is so exciting because Omega actually took the time to develop a brand new automatic movement for this size. The 2 new movements are the 8750 and the 8751, which uses a gold rotor. They are all Master Chronometer certified, 48 hours plus of power reserve and automatic. They're going to be extremely accurate. You can wear this watch doing whatever, wherever, and it's really going to hold up with your day-to-day life. Let's talk about the design of this watch. Really to highlight, it's a 30mm. I would put this in the teeny tiny watch category. This has been very hot over the last couple years. Everyone we're working with wants a smaller watch style. They come in and out of style. They're back. I think Omega timed this perfectly with coming up with this movement. You're really going to like that 30mm style. It's going to be a legible watch. You're going to be able to read it, but it can also wear like a piece of jewelry. On the dial itself, you have some applied markers. These are meant to kind of look like a bottom of a bow, going back to that sea heritage. To me, I think of a marquee shaped diamond. So whatever you're into, that's what you see. But luminescence on those applied indices as well as the hand. So this is going to give you some glow if you were to go diving. I use it most when I go out to dinner and walk into a dark room, or maybe nighttime. It really does come in handy. There is a small date at the 6 o'clock, a little bit harder to see, but you don't want that date overpowering the dial. And I have found actually that having a date is very handy because we often remember what day of the week it is, but I never remember the date. This is a small detail that is also a big deal. It has an open case back where you can see this new movement from Omega. Again, a lot of small women's watches, especially in the smaller size, use a quartz movement or something kind of modified and they don't show it off. But Omega said, hey, we worked on this for years and years. We want to show it off. You really get that detailing on the back and it feels like a true enthusiast watch. I want to say thank you to Omega. It is not easy to make an automatic movement in this size. The rotor doesn't move as much. It took years and years of research. You can tell Omega cares a lot about their fans and listens, which is the most important. And they expanded one of their most popular collections specifically to include women in this teeny tiny size. The watch comes in a variety of different dial colors, different metal combinations. You can really find the perfect watch for you. Omega is well known for that, offering a bunch of different varieties. If you have any questions at Oliver Smith Jeweler, we love Omega. We have a boutique in Aspen, Colorado where you can shop, but you can also look at live inventory online and chat with us live to purchase. Let me know if you have any questions about the Aqua Terra 30mm. We'd love to help answer them, and thank you for watching.